Welcome back to the Gweilo 60 channel. In the Philippines, even in a place that's like a first-tier city like Tacloban, which is really small compared to the Chinese cities that I've been in, they have what they call brownouts. And today is a brownout day where you've got generators running everywhere because the power's off. So they have like rolling power outages here, which is sort of strange. They have lots of beggars on the street. You can give as much money as you want to them, but after a while, if you keep giving them money, they search you out. Like when I go to a 7-Eleven, the rugby boys sitting outside, they expect me to give them money. So when I was there yesterday having a beer with some people, I actually gave them shit because they were bothering me too much, thinking that I owed them something. So you can overdo it. You can overdo it really quickly. I'm walking on a street because the generators, you can hear them in the background. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Another thing, the malls here don't even open up till 10 o'clock in the morning. 10 o'clock in the morning till I think 10 o'clock at night. And I noticed at the downtown core, I was walking around last night, everything closed down around 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening. They closed all of the little shops. So they're not, the shops don't stay open late here, which sort of reminds me of the West in a way. Anyway, I'm going down to the mall. I figure it's air conditioned. It's already like 36 degrees out Humidex, and it's about 10 to 10 in the morning. Not a lot of people on the street. It's Sunday. I guess they're all at church. Super religious place, this one. Just booked into the Rospinel Hotel. It's sort of like a motel. It's got the doors on the outside, no inside hallway, but oh, it's a lot better than the places I've been staying at, except for maybe the Ironwood was maybe as good, maybe a little bit better than this place. But as you can see, it's actually pretty nice. I'm gonna take the stairs down. I think they got a pool. Yeah, maybe not. But air conditioner works good. The bed looks excellent, and that's the way it is. I'm gonna go find a beer. Yes, sirree, it's a step above what I'm used to, but that's okay. And you're probably wondering what it costs. I think it was about 26. I booked it on trip.com. It was about 2,600 pesos, or 4,800 pesos for 2 nights. So what's that? It is what it is, 28, 29. I don't know, 60 bucks American a night. Not that bad. Anyway, there's a lot of you guys out there that are saying, oh, and it's you hear all of the, you want to get run over. You hear all of the generators go because she's brownout day. But the nice hotels, they have internal generators, so you don't have the noise on the outside. It's a noisy day in Tacloban. Oh, and I'm back in Tacloban again. I like it here better. But a lot of you people out there are thinking that Gweilo went to the Philippines to find a girlfriend, get married, and how am I going to get back into China? No. Oh, and I'm not a walking ATM machine. Well, maybe for the kids that are on the street with their hand out, I may be a walking ATM machine, but no, you underestimate Gweilo. You see, in China, there's a lot of good-looking girls. And I have girls chasing me in China all the time. So this is just a holiday from my holiday. Yeah, boy, it's hot here too, though, and I'm having a good time. You know, I'm a couple weeks into this little holiday. I think I got 11 or 12 days left in the Philippines, and I'm going to spend it here in Tacloban. I figured that if I settle down in one place, I'll get to know the place better, and the people and whatever. And yeah, I've seen a couple ladies here, and they're nice people. It's nothing seedy or anything like that. It's just friendship out for dinner and whatever. I had the one there that stood me up the other day. It happens, you know what I mean? I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. I'm having the time of my life. I've got a couple of 7-Elevens that I like to sit down and drink beer at, and that's exactly where I'm heading right now because it's already about 40 degrees humidex outside, and that's tough. I'm telling you, it's a tough road to hoe for an old man like me. So I'm just out looking for a cold one right now, guys, and I'm not gonna have people. I'm a difficult mark. You know, I ran collection agency repossessions for 25 years type thing. So I'm not the prey. That's for damn sure. But these noisy goddamn generators, they are everywhere today. Like seriously, everywhere. And yes, the streets of the Philippines are full of beautiful girls. But I've noticed, when I came back from Samar Island, I noticed on Samar that the girls there, they're fat. Like seriously, I'd say the majority of them are chubby, short and chubby. So if you're into short, chubby girls, that's a place to go. But I'm not. And no, I haven't had any beer yet. Not to say there's not a lot of pretty girls on Samar Island, because there are a lot of hotties there. But I found Leyte Island has the people here probably eat better. They're not all eating Jollibees for breakfast. And in Catbalogan, they were for sure. Calbayog, yes, they were too. So they eat better. The girls are in better shape here. They seem to take more care of themselves. I think there's a higher education level here in Tacloban also. So sort of floated back to Tacloban thinking this is a better place to be for somebody like me. You know, they got more amenities. They've got more restaurants that. But then again, the Samar food was pretty damn good too. I think all through the Philippines, the food is sort of westernized, so it's pretty good. So there, I'm back in Tacloban. I'm going to stay here. Then I think I'm going to go back to China on the 24th of May. I know I'm going back to China on the 24th of May. Don't want to get run over here. And then I got some stuff that I've got to take care of there. And as soon as that's done, then I'm going to take another trip somewhere. I'm not quite sure where it is yet, but because I am who I am and I'm a single guy, I can just get up, order an airplane ticket on my WeChat app, and bugger off anytime. It's not a big deal. Oh, and here's one of my favorite 7-Elevens, and they will sell you beer for under $2 a pop for the tall boys. So I'm going in and I'm going to get some beer. Talk to you later. One thing I actually have noticed here is that doesn't matter whether it's Samar Island or Leyte Island, everybody's always singing songs. 3 girls just walked by, all of them were singing. They had the music playing on their cell phone and they were singing a song. You know what I mean? They're happy people. All of the people here are happy. They're not very rich, and but they have that. I don't know what it is. They're just happy people. Anyway, that's another video from yours truly, Gweilo 60 on the streets of Tacloban. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the share button. Until next time, peace out. I'm gonna go have a beer. Bye now.